social and economic resources government initiatives in India. Question number 1. Which program was launched by the government of India to provide employment to rural households? Monrega. Monrega program was launched by the government of India to provide employment to rural households. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act Monrega ensure 100 days of wage employment to rural households. Which scheme provides financial inclusion by offering bank accounts to all households? Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme provides financial inclusion by offering bank accounts to all households. It was launched in 2014 to ensure access to financial services for the unbanked population. What is the main goal of the Make in India initiative? Boost manufacturing sector and create job. Is the main goal of Make in India initiative. Make in India encourages both domestic and foreign companies to manufacture products in India. Which scheme focus on providing affordable housing to the poor? PMAY Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana focus on providing affordable housing to the poor. It aims to provide housing for all by 2024 in both urban and rural areas. Which initiative aims at improving sanitation and eliminating open defecation? Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission aims initiative at improving sanitation and eliminating open defecation. Launched in 2014, it focused on building toilets and promoting cleanliness. The Ayushman Bharat scheme mainly provides health insurance. It provides free health coverage up to 5 lakh per family per year for poor and vulnerable families. Which program is related to skill development among youth? PMKVY Pradhan Mantri Kaushala Vikas Yojana. It provides skill training to youth to enhance ability. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was launched to improve girl child education and protect them for discrimination. It promotes gender equality and the education for girl children. Which scheme supports farmers in case of crop failure due to natural calamities? PMFBY Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It provides crop insurance to farmers against natural calamities. Which initiative promotes digital empowerment and e-governance? Digital India. Digital India promotes. It aims to make government services available digitally and improve internet connectivity. The Ujjwala Yojana provides LPG connection to women from BPL households. PM Ujjwala Yojana ensure clean cooking fuel and reduce indoor pollution. What is the objective of the Atal Pension Yojana? What is the objective of the Atal Pension Yojana? Pension for unorganized sector workers is the objective of Atal Pension Yojana. It provides a fixed pensions after the age of 60 years to workers of the unorganized sector. Which initiative aims to promote entrepreneurship and startups? Stand Up India aims to promote entrepreneurship and startups. It provides loans to SC, ST and women entrepreneurs to start new business. National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM focused on rural women employment through self-help group SHG. It aims to improve rural livelihoods by promoting SHG and self-employment. Which program focused on urban poverty alleviation? NULM. National Urban Livelihood Mission NULM. It helps urban poor by providing skill training, employment and self-employment support. Smart City Mission aims to develop modern and sustainable urban cities. It promotes sustainable and inclusive urban development. Startup India aims to promote innovation and entrepreneurship. It encourages innovation-driven startups by providing funds and easier business. Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is related to rural road connectivity. It provides all-weather road connectivity to unconnected villages. Which scheme ensure food security for poor families? NFSA, National Food Security Act. It provides subsidized food grains to poor households through the Public Distribution System (PDS). The One Nation One Ration Card system aims to allow portability of ration benefits across states. Which initiative aims to promote rural entrepreneurship through technology and innovation? Atal Innovation Mission aims to promote rural entrepreneurship through technology and innovation. It fosters innovation and startup, especially among youth. PM Kisan scheme provides direct income support to farmers. Under PM Kisan, farmers receive 6,000 per year directly in their bank accounts. Which program promotes 100% village electrification? Subhagaya scheme. It provides electricity connections to all households in rural and urban areas. Mission Indradhanush focus on universal immunization. It ensures immunization for all children and pregnant women. Which government mission promotes self-reliance in India? Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It focuses on local manufacturing and reducing dependence on imports. Which initiative aims to double farmers' income by improving irrigation and infrastructure? PM Kisan Sinchai Yojana. Initiative aims to double farmers' income by improving irrigation and infrastructure. It ensures हर खेत का पानी efficient irrigation. Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan focus on school education from pre-primary to class 12th. It integrates all educational schemes for quality and inclusive education. Midday meal scheme provides nutrition lunch to school children. It improves nutritional status and school attendance. Poshan Abhiyan is related to women and child nutrition. Poshan Abhiyan is related to women and child nutrition. It aims to reduce malnutrition among children, pregnant and lactating women. Which government initiative promotes digital learning in school? Diksha platform. It provides digital resources for teachers and students to improve learning outcomes.